motherfucking life I live, nigga. You know what time it is. West Side, Death Row, everybody.
Well, I ain't prejudiced, I don't give a fuck. This is what it sounds like. We ride on our enemies. We ride on our enemies. I'm thinking about better days. Hey, better days.
Everybody
got me thinking about better days. Most of these niggas be big and you don't never hear that side of the story. We finna do this shit like this.
Sometimes it's hard to wake up in the morning, mind full of demons. I don't wanna hear them anymore. Got me heartbroken, fine. So many babies screaming cause they seeing destruction before they see a human being. So start smoking weed. We'll never get our day until we learn to pray. Keep our families in shape cause they all broken. Why do ghetto birds die before we learn to fly? Somebody else's child quoting guns, smoking weed. Can all make a change, so I'm told, but I haven't seen the change unfold. I'll keep open, please, if you prefer to breathe. Communities in need of people that believe. Keep your eyes open, I can only say I'll try until the day I die.
We be the craziest motherfucker.
Baby, please don't cry.
Got me thinking about better days. Got me thinking about better days. Even when the road is hard, never give up. We ride on our enemies. Yeah.
Eternally thug nigga, heel figure made by timing. So when I speak, hope to reach my body, Guamami. Oh, come the poppy. I love it when it's sweat and sloppy. In and out the mouthpiece until I come, no one can stop me. My bump and grind is through you every time. Come get a blast of this love passion, it'll blow your mind. Hey, throw up your legs, wrap them shits around my back. It's a west side thing, fucking hoes around the map. Walking down 125 while I'm keeping out hot. And they seduce my jimmy out. Screaming, hitting your body, make them all scream my name out. Give me my props and don't you love how this thug nigga beat up the cop. I'm at the Regan parade, I'm watching caramel bitches play. Keep with real niggas bullshit and never get you paid. This is the dream of a young black teen. I'm reaching for home cross country like a greedy crack fiend. Now come on.
Thinking about better days. Hey, better days.
Everybody killer. Remember this fate, save me the place. It does, man.
Got me thinking about better days.
Even when the road is hard, never give up. Yeah. Though half our problems can be based on economical greed, a dying breed, addicted to weed to get G's with my heart open. Greed brings only misery, away to tragedy. So I stay sucker free, only a few chosen rise. My ghetto queens rise, don't be afraid to try. Too many of us die for the door to open wise. My brothers keep wise, stay focused on the prize. Though everybody dies, we continue growing. Please don't cry. Even when the road is hard, never give up.
All the peoples I met better days is coming, homeboy.
Come on, man. I make this in the nicest way possible, man. You know?
It's gonna be some stuff you're gonna see that's gonna make it hard to smile in the future. But
through whatever you see, through all the rain and the pain, you gotta keep this in you. You gotta be able to smile through all of it. Keep your head up.
Our lifestyles be closed caption, addicted to favorite attraction. Pictures and actions be played back in a list of mashing. No fairy tales for this young black male. Some see me stranded in this land of hell, jail and crack sale. Hustling and hardly think of culture or the repercussions while busting on backstabbing vultures. Selling my soul for material wishes, fast cars. Listen, I live my life a legend, immortalized the pictures. My shit tears ain't no sipping. My childhood years were spent burying my years in the cemetery. Here's a message to the newborns waiting to breathe. If you believe, and she just look at me. Against all odds, the light is hard and carry on. Living in the projects, broke with no lights on. So all the seas that follow me, protect your essence. Born with less, but you still precious. Just smell for me now. I can walk through the days of the duck. I often wish that I could save everyone, but I'm a dreamer. Have you ever seen them? Who was strong in the game, overlooking the tomorrows, and if I leave back on time, the reason I'm still here. Turning circles in my ninth grade, dealing cocaine. Who really happens in the local nights of high and rain? And a man without a focus, like driving insane, stuck inside a game of fantasy, hoping it change, but when I focus on reality, we broken and chained. Had a dream of living wealthy. Football, told the football, making it big. After all my mama's thanking God for blessing a child. All my mama got to do now is connecting and smile. Smile. The world is free and low, we witness furious speeds. A man's questions, all stress, security, G. Backstab, the bleed, crooked door, lace with learning, looking straight shot. Bullets be hot, they burn it, inhale the shit, smoke, vision, lies to the flames. Well, I was smothered from my own pain. Strange whispers, cowards conversate, cope with the bitches. Taking pictures for the feds and desperate hopes they get us. Hit us all, give us plenty centuries, forgive my sins. Since I entered many penitentiaries, the best of bed is all friend. We military minded soldiers, busting shots blind, trying to find Jehovah to help somebody save me. Lost and crazy, scared to drop a seed, hoping I ain't hurt my baby. Hear me now, feel me now, picture my pain, embrace my words, make the world change. Still I smell. And now I'm on the side. Let us pray. As you journey into outer space, may the angels help to lead you. May the prayers of the families made shine on your soul to peace. And all the homies that advance away, there to greet you as you pass the gate. And as you head to the tunnel's light, I hope it leads to eternal life. And save a prayer for the homie pop. smoking weed like it ain't no thing. So even kids wanna try now. They lie down and get ran through. Nobody watches and blocking the evil man too. Faced with the demons, addicted to hearing victims screaming. Guess he was evil since birth, product of cursed scenes. Cause even our birthdays is cursed days. A born thug in the first place, the worst ways. I love to see the block in peace, with no more dealers and crooked cops. The only way to stop the peace, and only we can change, is up to us to clean up the streets. It ain't the same. Too many birds, too many funerals, and too many tears. Just seen another brother buried, plus I knew him for years. Bad by his family, but what can I say? Keep your head up and try to keep the